Alright guys, owners for John Tegley. I got winner takes Bucky and Bango here. 12 spots at 3. Go live. We are live. 9:28. 9:28. Grab list. Spots. And we are going to drop that into random 12 entries. JJ on the bottom, Jeremy on top. 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. We're going 7 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice is 7. Next click. Top spot. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Scott. Spot 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with John. He will get those to you. 9:29. Go back. We will type done. We are done. 9:29. 9:29. Here is the verification code and the timestamp.